New day, new exercise. So this exercise is very easy. You just have to download the file from here and then take mm, all these things into one, like a matrix, like here. And after taking the matrix, what you need to do, you need to sort it by the weekdays and week numbers, so that it should look like January, then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, instead of this, right? So I've already done it like this. You can just go here, right, in the table, and then you can just select the weekday, right, and then you can just click on the sort by, and you can click on the sort by uh, weekday. Where is weekday? See, so now the Monday is above, and then Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, right? So this is how you do it, and in your visual, you will look like this. The data will look like this. And if you want that instead of green colors or red colors here, you can add the conditional formatting here by clicking here, and then conditional formatting, background color. Now it's red. I can select any color I want and then click OK. This is how you change the background color as a conditional formatting. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.